Okay. Steve's gonna try some of the Steven Segal Lightning Bolt.
It has, it's not actually an energy drink. This long-lasting energy elixir is made with ingredients from all over the globe. Tibetan goji berry, Asian cordyceps. It's like small Asian children foot bones. B vitamins, ginseng, and guarana.
Guarana.
Guarana. Like guar?
Yes.
Sweet.
So it's guar in a can.
Alright.
How bad is that one?
Oh, it smells like Steven Seagal's jockstrap. I don't think I can drink this.
Don't smell it.
Oh. It's burning my nose.
Oh, that's bad. That's really bad.
That just means it's aged properly.
Ah.
That burns the nose.
Alright.
Do it.
Lightning bolt.
You know what you're going to do to your insides?
Lightning bolt. Lightning bolt. Alright, here we go. Kids, don't try this at home.
This is like Steven Seagal casting magic missile at you.
Oh, this is gonna hurt.
Chug it. Chug it. Don't you spit that back out. Swallow it.
I'm actually tearing up a little.
I'm not surprised if it smells half as bad. I mean, if it tastes half as bad.
So what's it taste like?
Well, you know that feeling you get in your mouth, like right before you throw up, just that saliva? Well, imagine if that was mixed with, like, Steven Seagal's ashtray.
I'm not tasting that
Oh,
one.
oh, it is so much worse than the cherry.